మంగళగిరి ప్రజా దర్బార్లో మంత్రి నారా లోకేష్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Commodity as a commodity, like mango is a mango, but then can you do local processing? And I've looked at how Thailand has done that better, creating chocolates in a very micro scale. The mango toffees of some, not chocolates or toffees. It's very easy. So we are actually looking at that, and we would love to actually engage with the industry on this, because you have a better view on things, and you're subject matter experts and domain experts. So I understand dairy very well because I worked in the dairy business. I understand it very well, but I don't necessarily understand chili business well. So I actually look forward to interacting with the industry to actually drive policy, give guidance, and actually look at what are the best practices that are happening across the world and learn from it.
There used to be a gentleman who was the Dean of Horticulture at Tirupati called Dr. Ramarao. Then he went to work for Eenadu in that paper. He, as chief of at Tirupati, he was asked to send mango saplings to Israel and to Europe. So he said, why should we send our materials or send him the worst varieties we have here? So he sent the one that had no market in India, he sent it there. But they were so smart that they took their varieties and they convinced the consumers in Europe that that was the actual mango and not the ones coming out of India.
It's all about, okay.
Thank you.
Suresh?
Lokesh, thank you for being here. I know how Saturdays are very important for you with your son, but thank you for being here. So I had one thing, Lokesh, and I know I've worked with your father when I was a chair last time and all that, and we did a lot of activity, and everything. So I think I might be coming across as a little, I don't know, some people might be upset, but then I think certain things have to be, we have to look at, we are coming from a certain legacy, certain way of working and all that, right? Because I know how much last time, what CM wanted to done didn't happen, right? And I think we need to start focusing on that, the administration layer in between, and how their priorities and how their style of working is the one that is harming us, right? See, as businessmen, we will always be wanting, it is our nature, and you are one too, so it's our nature to push the envelope, right? And we'll be asking a lot of time, and I agree, it's not always possible. But I think CII can play a moderating role in that and support you in wherever that is. But I think right now, we have no option, and we are very glad that we can forget last 5 years, right? So I think we don't need to harp on that. But we don't expect, with you, we expect the other side, right? So maybe it's right, wrong, but that's what it is. So I think that is one of the points I wanted to make, Lokesh, is that how do I think we need to work on that the interaction becomes, it doesn't mean we need your time every day, but at least at some point at certain, and the other ministries also have to be brought on board to work on that, right? Now, one thing, yes, I was a little unhappy you didn't mention poultry, but okay, we'll deal with that later. It's a 1 lakh crore business in this country and for India, and like you were saying, our effort has always been about feeding India, right? We have not been unlike Aqua, where we are not exporting, right? But now there's a phenomenal opportunity, because Malaysia's production cost is 9 rupees, Thailand's production cost is 9 rupees, our production cost is 475, in spite of our feed being almost 50% costlier, right? But now it's 21 paisa to send eggs from Vizag to Malaysia, right? Or Singapore, it's huge opportunities now. Even we didn't get present, we are only, so I think, those things I think we need to work,